practices from instructors with decades of bench experience in the carrying and feeding of hot runner tools. And they will learn and practice these proven bench techniques in a controlled, safe, and state-of-the-art shop. It is imperative that repair technicians are properly trained in hot runner characteristics so that companies are not experiencing unnecessarily long and expensive downtime hours while waiting to get a mold returned from an outside vendor. Repairing and maintaining a typical hot runner system takes maintenance skills to the next level. Successful hot runner repair requires a higher level of understanding concerning how they function and the critical areas that need to be monitored. Safe, precise, and reliable repairs can only be accomplished in a methodical approach that utilizes accurate documentation and a thorough knowledge base that guides technicians through specific procedures during maintenance and repair work. Tooling in a typical hot runner system must be handled with great care while cleaning, inspecting, and reassembling. Specific practices and techniques must be used to prevent potential flooding or encapsulation disasters that can plague all hot runner systems. Also discussed are various processing techniques and resins that can have a huge effect on the performance, condition, and maintenance practices of a hot runner system. Attendees will troubleshoot, document, and map out several types of manifold systems. Then, using a knowledge base, attendees will completely disassemble, clean, inspect, document discoveries, and reassemble a multi-cavity valve gate and a fixed gate system, and then learn how to determine what elements of the manifold should be included in setting up a PF program. Also covered are performance and maintenance characteristics of several popular brands of hot runner systems used today. Disassembly, cleaning, inspection, assembly techniques, and special tools used at the bench. Typical problems created through bad work habits. Wiring troubleshooting, splices, repairs, resistance checking, heater size verification and replacement.
The dry ice, the blue wave, cut our maintenance time 50%.
It's nice to be in a controlled environment, have resources, have somebody to go ask questions that you're going to get a true, honest, educated answer.
So why take a chance on success? Get the training you need with our hot runner maintenance and repair course here at Tooling Docs.